What's up, guys? As you can see, I'm holding right here in my hand the world's first 8-core desktop processor. This is the AMD FX 8120. There's also the 8150 that's a little faster. This one's clocked at 3.1, 8 cores, 12 megabytes total cache. That's 8 of the L3 and then 4 L2. And I know everyone's wondering, how does it run? How does it stack up? What can I do with this? First off, let's talk about what the strongest point of this is. Overclocking. You can really overclock this. There's a lot of overhead, especially if you're using water cooling like you see here. We've got the Coolit Systems. Coolit Systems is virtually the same as the Corsair units that are on the market. So pick up one of those when you get one of these, and then you can really push it to its full potential. At the stock clock 3.1, I ran a couple benchmarks, and in this video, I'm only going to talk about the CPU. I'll talk about some gaming in the second video, so be sure to stay tuned for that one. First off, picked up CPU mark. The CPU mark score on this, 7290.3. That's at the stock clock. That's around, I guess, about the same speed as you would see in an i5. So pretty good performance there in this price range. Okay, let's talk about Cinebench. We also ran that one because I wanted to give you guys an idea of how the rendering is going to work on this. I also put a 6990 in here. So this CPU, combined with the 6990, virtually killed everything. Just rendering on the CPU alone, the score was 5.06, and that's at the stock clock 3.1 gigahertz. That's about the same as the Intel Core i7-860, close to the i7-960 in performance. Now, let's talk about overclocking, because overclocking is very easy with this, and you can get a lot of power out of it. If you overclock it to just 4 gigahertz, the performance goes way up, and we get a score of 6.39. So if you pick this up and you overclock it, it really makes it a worthwhile purchase. So there you have a couple benchmarks. Again, I want to do some more benchmarking, some more testing. Today's the first day, and I wanted to make sure that you guys got this video immediately to see how it is. I really like the casing on this. Nice case. I'm thinking there's a lot you can do with this. I haven't tried out any games yet. I'm about to play Crysis right now and benchmark that. So I'm going to open that up. So stay tuned for my next video where I show some performance in games. See you guys next time. If you guys have any questions, Logan at TigerDirect.com. All right, let's play some Crysis.